How to create Ghibli image on ChatGPT. If you want to create a Ghibli image on ChatGPT, it's actually a new feature. But for this, you must make sure that you have got ChatGPT Plus or the Pro plan because this is only available for premium users. Next up, you can open a new chat and make sure you select the GPT-4o model over here. Now what you want to do is from the bottom of the prompt, click on the three dots icon, then go to the option Create Image. You will see this Create Image highlighted in blue. Now you can choose your reference image. You can click the plus icon and upload from your computer or from your Google Drive, or you can go ahead and then copy any image that you prefer, and then you can come back and then paste it right over here. Now you can just type in convert this image to Ghibli style, as you can see right here. If you want to add extra prompts, you could possibly do that and then just hit the enter button. It is definitely going to take some time for ChatGPT to process the image. Previously, it used to use DALL to use and convert images, but now it uses its own model. So let's just wait until the conversion process is complete. So as you can see, the image is being converted. It will add some of the fine details just based on how the real image looks like. So that's it for this video, and if you want to edit this image, you can go ahead and add in further prompts, like you can type in, write Ghibli images or any type of text on top of it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.